Welcome back to my new video, and let's begin it. I just don't want to talk a lot because it's going to be super productive day in my life and I don't have enough time to talk a lot, so I think that I will film beginning a bit later, so yeah, let's continue. Just today is the last weekend before I start studying, and right now I'm sitting in this very comfortable home dress, and I want to share with you my to-do list for today. So it's gonna be like productive video slash weekend before the school year begins. And yeah, let's start. First of all, I want to read my to-do list. Do you remember this to-do list? If not, then go and check the video about back to school supplies. I'm gonna leave a link there. And yeah, it's amazing to-do list, but it's quite small for my stuff, so I just wrote 2 to-do lists for today. Okay, I have to clean my room, take away summer shoes, declutter my cupboards, declutter my wardrobe, change my bed, about 3 laundries. I've done 2 laundries and I will need to do more. Okay. Iron uniform, film 3 videos, edit 2 videos. I need to study a bit, I need to read Agatha Christie. I need to go to post office because finally my package is arrived. I hope that it arrived. I need to go to library, I have to go to gym, end up my full bullet journal and film it, call my English teacher. Yeah. I need to print photos, plus quotes, plus buy colorful paper for quotes, and I need to wash sleeping mask. And right now I'm gonna go to the post office and to library. So let's go with me. So that's my outfit for today. This kind of amazing bumper and this amazing bra. It's like around the day bra. I forget what I wanted to say. I told you about this bra in my video about my current favs, so I'm gonna leave a link there or there, I don't know, always mistaken. And this amazing usual black and pink leggings. Pairs of shoes, and sorry for this noise because my neighbors are the best. Yeah, and right now I need to declare everything in my cupboard, so I'm gonna start from shoes and I'm gonna continue with my clothes because it's school time, and during the school time I don't wear a lot of clothes, only uniform. But yeah, just let's do it with me. Hey guys, I have different clothes there, and right now I'm gonna put my uniform there, and behind the uniform and all the t-shirts, all the blouses, I'm gonna have this kind of long beautiful dresses. So I'm gonna put it. And actually today, as you remember, on my to-do list I have to iron it. I should do it 1 week ago. I actually uploaded video about what I advise you to do the week before the school year begins, so go and check it. I'm gonna leave a link. Right now I'm gonna make my bed, and because it's quite late and I still didn't do even the half of the things that I should do. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go. Space because she has a lot of space and she has a lot of rooms where it's just like kind of a workshop it was, but right now we just keep all the things that we need. So yeah, I just want to put all the tools that I don't need and put them there because I'm afraid to lose them. It's my childhood, so yeah. You got to let it go. I have free space, so I guess I'm gonna put all my bags there and all my, wait a minute, backpacks I'm gonna put there. Declutter it, and they're all. Got to let it go. Now I'm working with my binders, and I'm gonna just end up all these things. So yeah. I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breath. So guys, you may see this small mess actually behind me, and quite small mess I have on my table. So right now we're gonna just clean it very fast, and then I'm gonna swap everything in my room, and I guess tomorrow I'm gonna wash the floor. And what else tomorrow? Tomorrow gonna be filming day and get ready for school day. So tomorrow I'm gonna continue filming. So guys, it's currently 30 minutes past 11, but hopefully it's only Saturday, so now I'm gonna just do a bit my bullet journal.
I love the way you kiss the way you ride. I love the way we breathe just with the wild. I love the way.
Pretty tired, so right now I'm gonna go to bed and sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome back. It's currently Sunday. It's the first day of autumn. Oh my gosh. Hi, fall. I'm obsessed with fall actually, because it's the most beautiful time of the year. Yeah, absolutely. Oh my gosh, I thought that today's the last day of summer, but no, today's the first day of fall. That's fucking great. But today,
I love the way you kiss the way you ride. I love the way we breathe just with the wild. I love the way you call me.
I have to film 2 videos. I have to edit 3 videos. I have to edit this video, and right now in the morning when it's super light, when I have super amazing light, I'm gonna film the video, and I'm so freaking tired because I went to bed at 11, no, at 12, and get up at 8. You guys said it's not, but I don't know why, but I'm so tired. Actually, and right now time is 10. So I guess 1 hour I'm gonna film. So first of all, I'm gonna do my makeup. I have to water plants, I have to print photos, then my dad's gonna buy for me colorful paper for my quotes. Let's go, let's do makeup and my hair.
Kiss the way you ride. I love the way we breathe just with the wild. I love the way you call me little child.
So, have a good night, y'all. Love you so freaking much. And yeah, just right now I'm gonna go to bed. I just done with my manicure pedicure. I just cut off and did all my nails. I decided not to polish them, and I really love it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.